are a researcher and you are looking for research positions in Europe, watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you how you can easily find research positions across the whole of Europe. Let's get on the internet and then I'll show you. The first step is to go to the Euraccess website. So just in Google, type Euraccess, and press enter. Then you open the first link, which takes you to the home page of Euraccess. Under the Jobs and Funding tab, click on Find Jobs. Once you click on Find Jobs, you can type in specific keywords here, depending on what you are looking for. So if you are looking for a PhD fellowship or PhD position, for example, you can type in PhD fellowship and then press the search button. So once you press the search button, it shows you the number of PhD positions that are available. And yeah, so there are several of them, about 499. And so you can also be a bit more specific. PhD fellowship in biochemistry, for example. And then you press enter. So then you see that the number becomes smaller, and you can also filter using country of interest. So when you go to the tab on country, you can select, for example, you want to see only PhD positions in Belgium, and then you click on search. So it shows you that 4 of these PhD positions are based in Belgium. You can also filter based on the researcher profile. So you go to the researcher profile and select first stage researcher and click on search. So it shows you that out of the 4 jobs or PhD positions in Belgium, 3 of them are for first stage researchers. But then what I would advise you is that leave these filters out so that you find all the positions that are possible. You don't end up missing any opportunity. So I will clear the filter. So I'll just go back to the PhD fellowship biochemistry just to illustrate to you. And then you click on search. Once you've input your keywords and you have the options available, you just take your time and slowly scroll through the programs which are available. The second step is to verify your compliance with the criteria. If you identify a program, for example, I would say this PhD fellowship for Marie Sklodowska-Curie European Doctoral Network BioCat Code Expander. So if this is the position, for example, you are interested in, you have to click on the link and go to this position website where they give you all the information regarding the program. So they tell you where it is, so the University of Amsterdam, the department, and all the necessary information which is required about this position. It's written on that website. So it's a full-time position. It's starting August 2023 and all that. So once you verify compliance, you need to check what are the requirements, what skills are they looking for. So here under the skills or qualifications, it's indicated the type of researchers they are looking for. It can be of any nationality, and the person must not have carried out their main activity in the country of the host prior to recruitment. And yeah, so you'll find all the necessary requirements under the skills or qualifications. Sometimes it's labeled as specific requirements. And so all the additional information about the position is specified when you go to the link of the position. The third step is to prepare your application documents. So here you want to find out, first of all, what is the deadline for the application. So here we have the deadline is 16th of June 2023. You want to also check the required documents. So usually you go to either where to apply. Sometimes it's written directly in the main page of the program. So you can go to the program website, for example, and then you would just scroll through and see what are the documents required for the application. So applications should be in English, submitted by email, to this email address before 16th of June. And the following documents has to be submitted in one PDF document, so a cover letter, a CV, 2 letters of recommendation, and all that. So most of the time, the documents that are required are listed, as well as the mode of application. Sometimes you have to apply directly online. Sometimes they ask you to apply by email, so you have to check the specific requirements based on the position. If you have any questions during the application process, you can also send emails. Sometimes there are contact persons listed. You can send emails. So in this case, you can also send an email to the email address to inquire about anything you are not clear about, or if you have any concerns during the application process. And then the final step is just to apply. So you can either apply through the online application platform or via email as specified in the advertisement. So in this particular case, you're supposed to submit it electronically to this email address. Yeah, so that is the demonstration for a PhD position. There are also assistant professorship positions or even full professorships available. So I will just go back to the main page and just demonstrate to you like how you can, so for example, we can put in assistant professor, and then click on search. So you see there are a lot of assistant professor positions, and I can filter and say maybe I want to just see assistant professorship positions in Germany, and there are 11 of them. So you can just go through and try to, yeah, some of the search functions don't work perfectly. So even if you type in assistant professorship, you will see full professorships available. And so, yeah, that's just to give you an idea how you can use this platform to find positions that you are interested in. So I can also put a postdoctoral fellowship, and then enter. Yeah, so you see the postdoctoral positions that are available in Germany. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch and I will get back to you. And good luck with your applications.